Hey Krishna, I'm Snita Sunil with you in 2 Minute Mahabharata Stories. We are in chapter 5, verse 13 of Bhagavad Gita. Sarva karmani manasa sanyasyaste sukham vashi navadvare pure dehi naiva kurvanna karayan. We'll repeat. सर्वकर्माणि मनसा सन्न्यस्यास्ते सुखं वशि नवद्वारे पुरे देहि नैव कुर्वन्न कारयन्. In the Bhagavad Gita, in this verse, it describes about a self-controlled person, mentally detached from all actions, living happily in the body with 9 gates, and not working or causing work to be done. What is this 9 gates? 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 nostrils, mouth, anus, and genital opening. Some may be aware of this song Ambigana Ninna Nambide, Jagadamba Ramana Ninna Nambide. That is, 9 gates is sung in this Kannada song. Meaning is the body is a vessel for the true self, which remains distinct from it and can achieve liberation by understanding the separation and controlling the gates of sensory. What is this spiritual purity? When these 9 gates are clean and working properly, it is a indication of a healthy body and by extension spiritual understanding and purity. Let us see a small story in Bhagavata Purana in chapter 25 to 29, Canto 4. You can also read this and browse it in the Bhagavad Purana, please. I will tell you in a gist. Puranjana imagined he wanders through 9 gates and got attracted to a beautiful woman. She becomes his queen. Here Puranjana being conscious self and the beautiful women being buddhi, that is intelligence, as subtle material energy, like discrimination capabilities like artificial intelligence machine. Both together, conscious self plus intelligence is root of embodied consciousness. Now, Queen is subtle intelligence, allows Puranjana, that is conscious self, to enjoy in the city of 9 gates. Think Puranjana represents the user, the city of 9 gates as computer hardware, the Queen as the software. The Queen is not alone but accompanied by 11 bodyguards and a serpent with 5 heads. The bodyguards comprise the mind and 10 senses, whereas 10 senses made up of 5 knowledge acquiring senses and 5 working senses. Knowledge senses is sight, smell, taste, hearing, touch. Working senses is walking, grasping, speaking, reproduction, and evacuation. All 10 senses are grouped around the mind and are considered servants of the mind. Each of these servants has hundreds of wives. The wives represent desires for material experience, and the senses act under their pressure. The senses are compared to the attendants of the queen. They serve her by bringing information and performing activity. They combinedly manufacture a sense of self in which king becomes entranced and falsely identifies. The body 9 gates is gross material energy. The body is powered by 5 subtle A's listed in Ayurveda, that is, prana, apana, vyana, samana, and udana. In Puranjana allegory, 5 A's comprising the vital force are represented by 5 headed serpent. The moral is dualist solution to the mind, the body. By detachment of actions through mind, enlightened souls remain happily situated in their body. It is called Sakshi Bhav. Within the body also it sits the Supreme Lord. who is the controller of all living beings in the world. So, when connected, it becomes free, even while residing in the body. Sri Krishna tells soul is neither the doer nor cause of anything. Then, is God the cause of the all actions? Let us see in the next episode. Thank you. Good day to all of you.
ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣವೇ? ಈ ಶ್ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳಿಂದ ಬೇರ್ಪಟ್ಟು 9 ದ್ವಾರಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಬದುಕುವ ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡದ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿವರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ 9 ದ್ವಾರಗಳು ಯಾವುವು? 2 ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು, 2 ಕಿವಿಗಳು, 2 ಮೂಗು, ಬಾಯಿ, ಗುಡೆದ್ವಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಜನನಾಂಗದ ತೆರೆಯುವಿಕೆ. ಭಾಗವತ ಪುರಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ 25ರಿಂದ 29 ಸ್ಕಂದ 4ರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವರವಾದ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಇದು ಪುರಂಜನ ಕಥೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿವರವಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಯಲು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬ್ರೌಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ದೇಹದೊಳಗೆ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವಿಗಳ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಕನಾದ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನು ಸಹ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಅದು ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದರೂ ಸಹ ಅದು ಮುಕ್ತವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಆತ್ಮವು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಮಾಡುವವನು ಅಥವಾ ಕಾರಣವಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ದೇವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣನೇ? ಮುಂದಿನ ಶ್ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.